What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Visual Studio Code. Open your web browser and type Visual Studio Code. Click the link in the description below. Click download for free. It will automatically download the correct version for your computer or laptop. Now double click on the setup. Start the installation process. Select I accept the agreement and click next. Click the place where you need to install the software. Next. Follow the installation process carefully. Now it will start the installation process. It will take few minutes. Click finish and it will launch Visual Studio Code. Now it will start Visual Studio Code, and there are a few basic setups you need to follow in the Visual Studio Code, and they also can be done after some time. That's it guys, make sure to subscribe and see you guys from another video.